my copy this 141. Welcome to the first Tuesday food related video in a long time. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to make Copycat Freddy's sauce today. It's because, so the first thing you're going to need is, well, you can measure these out, but I usually just do about a spoonful of mayonnaise for starters. And, well, yeah, we're gonna get to this in a little while. We're just gonna we're eyeballing everything but the pickle juice. We got some ketchup, and we're just gonna eyeball it and put about the same amount. And then for the pickle juice, we're gonna put about a teaspoon of that in there. Yeah, the thing rubbed off on here, but basically I have memorized the amounts for these measuring spoons by the colors. So yeah, that's how I know what this is without it being there. So we're just gonna do that in there. And just gonna mix that all up. And it looks kind of gross right now, but that's because it's not fully mixed. And I'm gonna put this on my chicken sandwich that I'm having for lunch. So there's other condiments that I know how to make, but I figured this one was perfect to show you guys how to make today because I actually just learned how to make this recently. So yeah, there you go. And once it's thoroughly mixed, and it looks like it is, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Lawry's seasoned salt. That's just this brand. You can use any brand, or there's also Freddy's seasoning that you can get. But this is what was easily accessible in our kitchen, so that's what I'm using. So I'm just gonna give it a couple shakes and mix that in there. And and there you have it. That's it. I know this was super short, but the thing with just regular cooking videos is that, well, it kind of takes all day, and I wanted to be able to do something food related that doesn't take a really long time. So here you go. And I really hope you enjoyed this. And I'm gonna go eat my lunch, and I'll be back for the outro after I've edited. And yeah, I know I'm not signing a whole lot for this video, and that is because, well, I really don't know the signs for a lot of the words that I'm saying right now, so that's the whole deal with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go eat my lunch, and so see you later. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links down in the description below. The first of which is for my affiliate with So Sick Clothing. There's a promo code through them that will get you 15% off site-wide. That promo code is ORACE15. And there's also a couple of other merch-related links down there as well. And yeah, the first one is for the Lovecraft website, which has my llama and deer t-shirts that I designed. And yeah, they also have a lot of really cool pottery pieces there, and just, yeah. The second one is for my Teespring store, and that has a whole lot of other designs that I made. It's just that the llama, it's available in 2 different places. So it just depends on which variation of the design that you prefer. And the rest of my links are my website, my social media, my podcast, El Grace After Hours, new episodes every Tuesday, and that is available on Anchor, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, pretty much any podcast platform you can think of. And thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!